My eye bags is because I was crying. So the bed is comfy. Nice. It's nice. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm a little bit tired. So I'm here staying for my 3 nights mandatory hotel stay at the Crown Plaza Hotel in Toronto. So these are my luggage, 3 luggage. And my flight was really okay, smooth. The immigration are okay. Both Philippines and here in Canada, they're friendly. And the flight also is not, it's not really bumpy. It's nice. So this is my hotel room. So this one is 1,089 Canadian dollar for the 3 nights mandatory. So if ever the result of our COVID swab test in the airport that we've done in the airport here in Toronto earlier is negative, even just less than 24 hours, if you wanted to go home to your, like for me, to Art's place, I can go home, but the rest 2 days it's not refundable. So it's clean. This is the bathroom. So they don't use fish shield here. So the hotel says that we have breaks, like, I mean, we can go out twice a day, uh, 15 minutes every, like you have 2 15 minutes break within a day. So you can go out, you can walk around, take some, fresh air. I don't know if it's fresh. So this is their television. Sorry guys, not really that jolly today because I've been crying. I miss my family. I miss them so much. The only thing that makes my flight, not easy is just I miss them all. I've been crying the whole flight. I watched our pictures and then I cried. Oh my god. But it's unfair for art. So they have a little fridge here. So we have coffee. What is that? I don't know. I have to look at it later. So they have water also. So they give this to me upon check-in earlier. So we have free meal, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So it's nice, clean, and it's really nice that I arrived here during this summer. So I don't have any adjustment of the weather this time. So I'm happy. This is all I want. This is all I wanted. This is all I wish all the time, that if I had my visa, I want to be here summer. So that's Canada. I'm here in Toronto. I don't know where's the CN Tower. I don't know yet. So this is Canada. And you can see here there's flag of the USA, Canada, and what is that other one? That's the front of the hotel. Here, this one. So I can walk around there, like here, go to that pizza house there. So if I wanted to go for my 15 minutes break, I can go there. What is that? The Canyon Creek Chop House. So this is it. The Sheraton Hotel also is there. Oh, and that's the airport there. You can play the airplane. You can see the airplane because the government wanted the travelers to stay in the mandatory stay like 1 point miles away from the airport, at least 1 point miles away from the airport. So that is it. Very nice. So Art will be here after 3 days. He will pick me up. I still didn't see Art. So there's an airplane there, if you can see. So be good to me, Canada. This is not easy at first few months, but that's okay. Canadian Bisdak is there with the kids. They pick up my buwad, my dried fish that I brought them. So they're asking if where can they get a bus because her husband is not here today because he's at work. So, but I have to check out today. Lots of work there. So I'm in the 11th floor. Oh my God, her son was there. I don't know. He's playing with the grass. Cute. Canadian beast duck. Oh my God, he forgot his son. Okay. This is the weather today here in Toronto. So it's very, work here is very fast. I observe because yesterday it was just a small part, but that is already black. But this today they're almost done. So this is how fast they're working because most of them are using uh, equipment. So I guess it will be done like one day. It's just a day today since I arrived here. So they're almost done. I guess it will be done for 2 days only. So very nice weather. It's nice. So my friend Canadian Bisdak from Cagayan de Oro is there bringing my dried fish and tablia. They're looking for a bus. But unfortunately we didn't see each other because it's not allowed yet. Someone pick up the stuff here and she brings something for me also. Very nice weather. So this is Canadian Bisdak gift for me, and she's supposed to bake a cake which has welcome Canada for me because she thought I will be out by the Saturday, but I can't wait for Saturday because I already got my negative test result. So I feel so homesick here. I'm alone. So I let Art pick me up earlier than 3 days. So if once you get your negative test, you can check out here. So it's just a day from since I arrived, but I need to go home because I feel really homesick here. I can't even call my family because I just keep crying. So thank you again, Canadian Bisdak. See you. I will see you. Don't worry.